What's the meaning of bewildered? Bewildered. Bewildered.
Bewildered. Bewildered. The word bewildered is an adjective that describes a state of complete confusion or disorientation. When someone is bewildered, they are usually unsure of what to do or how to proceed, feeling lost or overwhelmed by their surroundings or circumstances. They may be experiencing a sense of chaos or uncertainty, unsure of how to make sense of the situation they find themselves in. Bewilderment can manifest in many different ways, from a mild sense of confusion or disorientation to a more severe state of anxiety or panic. Overall, being bewildered can be a challenging and unsettling experience that requires patience and understanding from those around us.